countdown is now on, with just 4 months left to settle outstanding taxes owed to the government under the tax amnesty program, and property tax have received the most interest from citizens. All taxpayers who owe arrears to the Inland Revenue Department for the period ending December 31st, 2021 will receive a 100% waiver of all interest and penalties under the one-year tax amnesty program. Lonnie Alexis is the Senior Tax Inspector responsible for collection, enforcement and compliance.
It is key to note that here it's assessment period 2021. So for annual stamp tax, that means tax period 2022 will be part of the amnesty. For corporation tax, for income tax, 2021 is the cutoff period for the amnesty. So anything after 2021 for any other tax type except stamp tax, the tax period is 2021. For stamp tax, tax period is 2022. That's the cutoff point. So 2023, if you are late, if you are filing late, you have to pay interest and penalty plus the tax for those periods.
The Inland Revenue Division encourages all taxpayers, both individuals and businesses, who have unpaid tax balances and unfiled tax returns for the period covered by the amnesty to take full advantage of this opportunity to clear the arrears and become more fully compliant with the law.
It's a simple process. If you need to know your arrears, if you're uncertain of what your liability is, you come to the department or you can make a phone call. We have various means as well. You can send an email. We will respond to you through email. You can walk in, you see to the ladies in customer service, they will tell you what your balances are. It's a simple process. You have your balance, you have no queries with the balance, they give you some forms to pay, you go to the cashier, you make the payment. If you have any queries with the balance, then you will send you to collections where we can sit with you, look at the figures, ensure that what we have corresponds to what you think that is correct. And once we agree on the balance, then you simply go to the cashier and make payment after that. So it's a simple process. For persons that with large balances and may not be able to make a one-off payment, we can always sit with you and come up with a plan to liquidate the liabilities in a timely manner that within the time period up to December.
According to Alexis, the division has created a responsive plan to ensure all taxpayers are served.
So you have the personal income tax, you have the withholding taxes, you have the corporation tax, you have the gaming taxes, you have the VAT, you have what am I leaving out here? Excise tax.
Taxpayers are reminded that come January 1, 2024, government will be enforcing and utilizing all provisions given to it by law against persons who refuse to settle their tax payments during the amnesty period. From the Ministry of Finance, I'm Arcelyn Crosby.